Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Breakout Trading. Let's see the stocks which will be good for trading on 13th of August, that is tomorrow. Okay, let's see Bata India. As I told yesterday, this was a strong support here. It will be bearish only if it's crossed this support. So what happened in this day, in this support line? Actually, a green candle has formed in the daily frame. So what will happen is the stock will be moving towards this trend line over here. So it will be going like this. So Bata will be a good buy above today's day high. Then the next stock we are going to see is CESC. Okay, let's see what has happened in this stock. From May it has taken a support at this point. The stock has gone up and again it has come to this support line before a week. So here a green candle has formed and it's gone up till here and it's halting in this place for the past 3 to 4 days. So what will be happening to this stock in the coming days? Suppose if the high, it's like the resistance over here 580, the stock is in uptrend. Once 580 is broken, the stocks might go to 625 in the coming days, and after that a little retracement and again to the top up to 650 670. So this is about CESC. The next stocks we are going to see is Glenmark Pharma. So let's see what happened here. This is the resistance line. So if you see from here, it has formed a cup like shape pattern. So what will happen next? Here is the support again. So it has come from the resistance, it has touched the resistance and formed a cup like pattern, and next what will be happening is the resistance has rejected and it will come here and it will form a small handle like pattern to complete the cup and holder pattern, and after that when it crosses 472 the stocks will go up. Before going up, so the pattern has to be completed. The handle will be formed, it will come up to 440 and it will again raise here and then go up. So in the coming days we can see the stock to trade around 440 and then go up to 480 and then towards 520 and 560. This is for Glenmark Pharma. The next stock we are going to see is Godrej Properties Limited. Actually, it has been trading inside these two trend lines for the past 1 or 2 months, from June till yesterday. And what happened today is broken the trend line. The stock has broken the trend line. What will happen next is it will lightly retest the trend line and then the stock will fall down. When will be a good entry is below the low of today's day candle, that is below 876. So below 875 it will be a good sell. We can see 840 and 800 in the coming days, maybe in the August series. This is for Godrej Properties Limited. The next stock is HUL, Hindustan Unilever Limited. So let's see what happened in this stock. Here this is the resistance around 2346. I think, yes. From the stock was rejected and it was coming down. So what happened is it's come down, it's gone up, it's come down and it has taken a little uptrend and again to the support line. So what we can expect from this stock is it's purely bearish right now, because if you see it's coming down lower low, it's formed a lower high, it's again coming here and it's again forming a lower high, but a new lower low is not yet formed. So if this support line is broken, we can see a good movement in the stock, because you see how many days it's been trading in the support. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 10 days it has been testing the support line. So what will happen is, more the testing happens, the support line becomes weak. So the stock, if broken, what's the range, 2185, it will have a good movement below. We can see a movement of around 1.5 to 2% in the stock, means 30 to 40 rupees movement in this stock, because the stock value is 2195. So it will have a big movement if the support line is broken in the coming days. And the next stock we are going to see is Tech Mahindra. Let's see what happened in this. Actually, here there was an entry before a month. It was a triangular pattern, given a breakout. It has tested the support again. It's gone up, came down, it's gone, and here is the resistance line. What happened here is, the stock, as I told earlier, the stock cannot go continuously in the uptrend. So it has to go up, come a little bit down, and again go up. So it happens like that. So what happened in this stock is, it came up till here, it was halting here, it came down, it took a support at 645 range, and then it's gone up to the resistance line. So it will be spending some time here, and once 695, I think, what's the high, 694. So once 695, this resistance is broken, the stock has a good momentum to go up to 750, 800 range, because here in this breakout itself there was a good volume, and again there was a huge buying volumes near this resistance line. So what happens, why the stock is coming back is, that's because of the profit booking. Those who have bought for all these 4 days, if you see 4 continuous days, it was under bull's control. So whoever bought the stock in these 4 days, they will book their profits in the higher level. So what happened, the selling pressure comes and the stock comes down. When the stock comes down, they will again buy the stock at a lower price and make it go up. So we have to wait for the 695 range to break to go for new highs. Okay friends, these are the stocks that will be good to be trading from tomorrow onwards. You can take intraday and book small profits, or if you plan swing trading with the ideas which I am giving, it will be very good helpful for you, because if you see in the past 3 or 4 days, I have posted Adani Ports. It has given a good movement, and other stocks also which I have posted has given good movements for holding 3 to 4 days. That's swing trading. So if you are planning to hold on for a week or more, it will be giving you good profit. So thank you friends. Please like and share my videos. If the video is really useful for you, share to others. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you. I will meet you again in the next video.